Hey everyone, today we are looking at a new listing to the market. This is a 2015 Chaparral H2O ski and fish model. The boat is located in Sturgeon Bay, Door County, Wisconsin. Always been professionally maintained and stored here at Quarterdeck Marina. Got some nice canvas in great shape. Be sure to check out the pictures on how this boat converts from ski mode, or pleasure mode if you will, right now into fishing. It is pretty incredible. This is the do-it-all boat for the water here. So nice swim platform, which we'll step on back here. Got a little swim ladder. Nice large sun pad. These pads are all removable too, so if you want to walk through the transom without stepping on your cushion, move in. Here are your fishing seats. Those come out and go up on the rear platform, and then the front platform for your fishing. We have a live well back here. There's a motor, 4.3, fuel injected, plenty of horsepower. Get this puppy moving, and then storage underneath most of the side cushions as well. I got some removable rod holders. Got the helm seating with a Hummingbird helix on the dash, so you get GPS, fish finder. Got some nice ski and rod locker. Nice bolstered seating, more rod storage. You got an onboard battery charging system, which is great. Lockable glove box. Plenty more storage here. Stereo. Got some batteries for the trolling motor there. Plenty of room for life jackets and gear. This is a wireless deal for the bow mount trolling motor, so you can put that where you'd like. All your movable cushions. Plenty of storage. And then here is your front fishing platform here, which folds back. Put in your seats, remove the cushions, and you have a nice flat front fishing platform. Again, check out the pictures for that. It's pretty remarkable how that converts. And you got a little anchor locker up front too. So I'm gonna give this boat a look. Come on out and visit us. Quarterdeck Marina, SkipperBud's. Otherwise, give us a call. We can plan a private showing for you.